Hi, so today I want to unbox with you Mira by Amore, one of the new styles in the color Ice Blonde. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is Perla by Ellen Wille from the Modix collection. And I have an unboxing of this as well if you're interested in seeing that. But today is about Mira and an Ice Blonde. I do have a video on Mira unboxing and a review in ginger brown. So if you're interested in seeing Mira in a brunette color, then maybe go and check that out on my channel. So here we have Mira, nicely packaged, very securely packaged. Your net, and then it sits on tissue paper. So let's look at the cup construction. Chef's kiss, in my opinion. It has all the bells and whistles. So you have a full mono top, you have an extended lace front that runs into the ear tabs, you have 100% hand-tight cap, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters and velvet covered ear tabs. There is a little bit of stretch in Mira, even though it's a hand-tight cap. And here we can see these really barely there waves, which I think gives Mira this very special look. And Ice Blonde hasn't got a root, so for everyone who loves their blonde but wants an unrooted one, this one might be one to look at. I have it in ginger brown, as I said, and loved it, but I want to see what it looks like in a blonde. So let's put that on. Let me check it's on the right. Yeah, it's about 4 fingers. Look how cute. There's no other way to describe Mira than it's stinking cute. So adorable. Let me show you all around. I have fallen for Mira. I think Mira is just, it's just a great everyday style. It's easy to wear. It's straight out of the box. You can wear it. All you have to really do is get rid of that zigzag parting. It isn't really a face flopper as such. To take the tag off and you are ready to go. And these fibers, they're heat-friendly fibers. They feel incredibly soft. And having worn the other Mira a couple of times, there wasn't really much frizz or anything. Well, obviously this helps that it is a shorter style. And at the moment I'm not wearing any scarves. But I think it will last you longer than other heat-friendly styles that are longer. But look how cute this looks. Let me take out the zigzag parting. Now, sometimes the fibers are very used to laying the way they want to lay. So you might just sometimes need a little bit of like water to move them to where you want them to go. I want to show you the mono top and the lace front. It's just beautifully done. Absolutely in love with Mira. There's no two ways about it. This is so adorable. So tell me what you think of Mira. As I said, I have a full review of it in ginger brown. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to review this one in this color as well. Would be interesting to know if you just want to have a bit more of an insight in the color, etc. And otherwise, if you're interested in Mira, you can get it with 20% off from Adrian's Trend Co, who ship worldwide with my code K20, and I will put the link down below in the description box. Personally, I think it's a great beginner's wig. It's a great everyday wig. It ticks so many boxes. It looks natural. It feels natural. There is no permatease. Therefore, I think it gives it that very natural look. It has these barely there waves, which I would never be able to achieve with my heat tools on, on any wig or even my own bio hair if I had it. In love. Tell me your experiences with Mira. It's always really interesting to know what other people's experiences are. So put them down below. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I hope I see you very soon. Bye.